Good morning from South Florida and welcome to a What I Eat in a Day vlog on iTrackBites. I thought I would be a little bit more specific. You know how there's like what I ate on Weight Watchers? This is what I eat on iTrackBites. As you guys know by now, probably, I follow the calorie command plan, and for now, at least for a little bit longer, very little, I am going to be in maintenance mode, which means I'm eating 2,100 calories in a day, which is currently my maintenance range. So it's an exciting day because I have most of my meals already planned out, and that is just, it's such a relief when I know I can wake up in the morning and know exactly what my meals are, because that gives me so much more power to be able to mess with the rest of my day, right? Don't you just feel so empowered when you know what you're going to eat all day? It's so very nice. Now, one little wrench that's not really a wrench is it is almost 10 o'clock and I'm about to start my workout and I haven't even had breakfast yet. So by the time I'm worked out and showered, it's going to basically be time for brunch, which means I'm probably just going to have my lunch early. So that actually kind of messes with things a little bit, but I'm just going to take it all in stride today, and I thought I would share with you guys what I am eating on iTrackBites in maintenance mode currently. Pretty soon it's going to be back in weight loss mode, but not quite yet, and I thought I'd just bring you guys along for my day, so welcome to my vlog. I am 100% being judged right now. Hey, where you going? Oh, you had to sit your little princess butt on the carpet, huh? Gracie. Gracie, look at me. Hi. Good morning. You've already been barking at the lawn people, haven't you? Yes. What a day. I am about to start my workout. As I mentioned, it is lift 4, week 4, day 3, which is shoulder interval day. One of my favorite days of the week is shoulders day. Okay, my absolute favorite day of the week is shoulders day. I'm gonna get my stuff together and get moving. All right, my workout is done. Thank goodness it was lift intervals today because it's not too much cardio. I ended up skipping abs because my monthly friend literally is like in full fling as of an hour ago. And I knew that was coming. I knew it had to be coming real soon, didn't know when. So I was like, I'm gonna get my workout in before everything goes in motion. And as I was getting ready to do my workout is when things started to be in full motion. So the idea of core workout was not fun to me, but I lifted, I did the things, I modified all of the cardio, which is totally fine. I can consider the workout done. Usually what happens is I am debilitatingly tired on day 1 of my monthly friends visit, and while I am tired, I've literally been tired for a week. This has been the worst bout of ongoing PMS symptoms that I have had in a long time. I literally thought I was PMSing last Monday. Today is Thursday. So we're talking like a week and a half. A week and a half. I thought this was supposed to start this Monday. No, it's Thursday, y'all. That's how bad it was. And I guarantee it's residual overindulgence in things and food choices from the holidays, because even though you're seeing this video towards the end of the month, it is actually the 6th, the 7th, it is the 7th. So it's a week out from the 1st, and holiday things and routines being out of whack and all that jazz. And I think the combination of that and a little bit of PMS symptoms just hit my body so hard. I have been tired, I have been bloated, I have been feeling terrible for a week and a half now. And so I'm glad that this started today, because hopefully there's a light at the end of the tunnel and I will start to feel like myself as soon as tomorrow, which sounds great. So I'm sorry, I'm trying to, because of course I just worked out my shoulders and now I'm holding the camera. So that's where that is at. And now I'm just going to shower and I'm going to eat food. Interestingly, yesterday I was not feeling great. Like, I in general haven't been feeling great, but I really wasn't feeling great, and I don't know what that was. It was not good. But I did start, let me get it here. I started a new probiotic, and it is not new. I have tried a month of it before, but I decided I needed to up my probiotic game. And the way to do that was to invest in the probiotic I've heard so many people rave about, including Kelly LeVeque, who you guys know I love. I've been influenced, and that's totally fine. This is Seed Probiotic, and I used this once when I got a discount on it on the FabFitFun box, and I really enjoyed it. And so I decided to go back to it for a couple of months and see if I get the results that I desire. And let me tell you, it warns you that the first 3 days only take 1 pill in the morning instead of 2, so your digestive system can adjust. If that was my digestive system adjusting, be warned if you decide to try it. Like, it's legit. It is a legit adjustment period. And but today I'm feeling much better that way, except for, you know, cramps, but that's neither here nor there. It's just everything just all at once. So I didn't eat too much yesterday, and then today it's 10:30 and I have no desire to eat food. None. Which I didn't realize was going to happen when I decided to do what I eat in a day. But a girl's got to eat regardless of if she feels like eating or not. So you're still going to see food. Don't you worry. But I just want to give you an update, the 411, on how I'm feeling, because that does play into things. It really does. And it's just, it ain't all sunshine and rainbows, y'all. It ain't all sunshine and rainbows. All right, my friends, here is my lunch/breakfast. It is 11:21, and the first bit of food I am eating today. Totally not intentional for me to wait this long. That's what happened. So I have a bagel sandwich here that is made out of these Lovin'. These are from Aldi. Bagel Skinnies, everything. They're 110 calories. We've got a serving of light mayonnaise and some mustard on there. I've got 5 calories worth of pickle slices, and I have boar's head chicken, which is super delicious, by the way. Oh, and I have a slice of full fat cheese, which is 90 calories on there, and I have 3 ounces of chicken on there, which is another 90 calories. And then my sides, as you can see, I wanted to finish up, we're still using stuff up that we've had from the holidays. I wanted to finish up the hummus, so I have just over 1 serving of hummus, so it ended up being like 88 calories or something like that, and then 3.5 ounces of carrots. As you can see here, my lunch slash, it's actually my breakfast, is 459 calories. And then you see I tracked a breakfast. This is something I'm just going to consume throughout the day today. And it is the Fairlife Nutrition Plan 30 grams of protein shake. I found these at Sam's Club, and they are a great happy medium to the regular protein shakes that have 26 grams of protein and the elite ones that have 42. These have 30. They are the equivalent of the Premier Protein Shakes or Quest Protein Shakes, but they taste a lot better. These are freaking amazing. Will not go back. Please, Sam's Club, never stop using or having this product because I'm obsessed. Amazing. So I'll be drinking this one, maybe a little bit as my sweet treat after this and a little bit as an afternoon snack, but that's an extra 30 grams of protein, which means that so far I have 63 grams of protein today and 610 calories total. I have to add my 20 calories in. I've had 1 cup of coffee so far this morning and plan on having a second cup when I'm done with lunch. My snack is a banana, which I weighed out at 4 ounces, and 1 tablespoon of the Wild Friends chocolate hazelnut spread, which is half of a serving, which is 80 calories for a total of 150 calories. All right, ladies and gentlemen, my dinner is a little salad bar, sweet kale chopped salad kit, literally the entire thing. It is 3.5 servings per container. I mixed up the entire thing and put it in this bowl. It is a mixing bowl. Topped it with 4 ounces of chicken and 1 ounce of crumbled goat cheese. And that clocks in, sorry, the lighting. It clocks in at about 700 calories. And I have 650 calories left for the day. And it is 6:30 p.m. Not bad. Here is the dessert slash snack lineup for the night. I already had an Eat Me Guilt Free brownie, which was 190 calories and of course like 22 grams of protein. And I still have enough calories left where I'm going to have 2 pieces of Ghirardelli chocolate, 2 Lindt truffle balls, and we'll still have 172 calories to mess with if necessary. Unsure if I will use them, but they're there if I need them. And my macros are almost perfect. Not a bad day.